way to the questionable Jarod. Got the powder coating. Parts from Jarod, questionable garage. Sent us some parts for his Ferrari truck. Ooh. A little dirty. Fix that crack for him. That's some old stuff there. Oh, jeez. Comes with the cobwebs and all. I always send back gaskets from customers, even though, let's say, they didn't mean to put it on there or forget. But you never know, like, oh, I should have to put it on there. That thing's worth like $1 billion. You can't get them anymore. So I always put any bolts, you think that take off, the undertakes and stuff I find that is take off or whatever. Put them in a Ziploc, bring them back to them.
Yo, a good shepherd get life to the sheep, leash nice, but nah, he ain't nice underneath. Got a price on the leash, I don't trust when he speak. Be sounding real spiteful to me. Boy, I bleed with the best, got a peep with the eagle and downs. I done feed with the flesh, tryna smeagol the rain. She believe that I'm blessed, got a speed to the left. All of my clothes, I be eager to mesh. Oh no, might put her on a roster. I bet she gon' dread it, take all my betters, run through it like betters. Might make her a tenant, the way that she moving it, highly attentive. She speak a little Spanish, and so does a man. I can tell by his panic, a phone blowing up like a galaxy. Must be the battery, beating it up, let me finish. Confidence 8 feet tall, all of my business, can't see yours. Got on my side, I can't see flaws. Tell the chauffeur, don't slam my doors. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Yeah, I done seen enough, seen enough, seen enough. Yeah, I done seen enough. Make condition lifesaver, mint money, made bail like a mint. Finna be heavy, cause baby gon' give me that again and again. I repent. Couple bleed him when the last thing you saw was a Van Gogh. Starry night, bullets fly, what's new? Sippin' hot chai in a war zone. Keep it on the low, low, no, don't out here been po-po since 12. But the look of my girl, a trip to Hawaii, she took to her ex and I took that L. Had to exhale, double XL, transcendental, yeah, I meditate well. Got the only one that's keeping me still. Got the only one that's keeping me still.
Hey, yo, we got all the dollars. Hey, 2
Hit a mail, blew the check, money verified. Back to back shows, that's a marathon. Feel like Farrakhan, now they Farrakhan. Staying out the media, give me a clear mind. I'm a media, no matter where I line. I still rock shit on the op list, A-list, you are not this. Got a brain, but I never will get on top picks. My bliss on a pedestal, take no offense. I ain't no hero, I ain't no hero. Commas and zeros, you know I need those. Money the root of all evil, fruit is forbidden. Treating knowledge made the filthiest dollars we spending on Eve. Out of my please, out of my please. Confidence 8 feet tall, all of my business, can't see yours. Got on my side, I can't see flaws. Tell the chauffeur, don't slam my doors. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Yeah, I done seen enough, seen enough, seen enough. Yeah, I done seen enough.
Yeah. Let's go. They can see that I'm the legend. Got the gold in my possession. No doubt in my mind, no question. I hold the keys to my successes. Greatness lives inside of me. Cut me open, bleed royalty. I've never known defeat. That's for the weak. For the throne, you better show loyalty. Nothing can stand in my way. I look it right in the face. I'm never slowing down. Yeah, I'm winning this race. Can't hold me back. Can't hold me down. It's time for me to own it now. I'm on a whole new level. I'm on a whole new level. I'm on a whole new level. Voltage rising, shock to see. Jury on the move, take the plea. I'm about to raise, so take a knee. It's reality, not make-believe. Making waves, can't stop me now. I'm taking names, then I'll take a bow. Never throw the towel, I own the crowd. I'm coming in and I'm getting loud. Nothing can stand in my way. I look it right in the face. I'm never slowing down, Yeah, I'm winning this race. Can't hold me back. Can't hold me down. It's time for me to own it now. I'm on a whole new level. I'm on a whole new level. I'm on a whole new level. Never stopping, yeah, I got it, I won't slow down. Feeling mighty, got the power, I'm the king now. Never stopping, yeah, I got it, I won't slow down. Got the power, I'm the king now. I'm on a whole new level. I'm on a whole new level. I'm on a whole new level.
So we're in Georgia right now. We're on our way to the questionable garage to see Jarod. We were there yesterday helping out, doing some engine teardown, get an engine ready to go into this Ferrari truck that we're putting back together. Got the powder coating safely here. We need some more cam seals. We got an alternator, some other things, miscellaneous stuff. But we're here at the questionable garage for Jarod. And something has died out here. There's a dead animal very close by. Oh. Anyways, got the parts here we're gonna be unloading.